Hello, District 50 Toastmasters in Northeast Texas and Shreveport, Louisiana. I'm Christy Peterson, our Club Growth Director. I'm here to tell you a bit more with the help of our fantastic Club Growth team, how you can earn this great pin. It represents the Club Growth Boosters, people doing great things to help District 50 grow. There are 9 different tasks to do. You only have to do 6 to win this. Here's our team to tell you more.
Attend and support an open house for your club.
Attend and support an open house in which you are not a member.
Sponsor a new Toastmaster member and include your name in the second page of their membership application.
The demo team wants you, Toastmasters. Come sharpen your skills as a part of the demo team. Be a part of growing a new Toastmasters club.
Be a sponsor or a mentor for a new club. Help the new members off to a super start.
Or be a successful club coach to a club with 12 or fewer members to grow and become distinguished.
Promote your club with D50's social media that attracts new members such as
creating a Facebook page for your club or starting a MeetUp account for your club for better reach.
For the differences in the size of Toastmasters clubs, visit one club with fewer than 12 members and visit one club with more than 25 members.
Provide a new club lead that turns into a demo meeting.
Attend, conduct, or assist with a SpeechCraft program.
Together we will.